Well, welcome back, YouTube. It is time to combine the wheat. So we got everything out in the field here. Actually started yesterday, but I did not have the camera along. So got the truck full yesterday, last night. Took it down this morning, down to King. Got that delivered, tested good. 15.4 moisture. And yeah, there's a big lineup, so had to wait a little bit. But we're ready to go. Back out in the field. Dad's gonna be coming in a little bit. He's gonna get in the combine and try to get this field done. We did all this 17 acres last night, plus a little bit, got the other field opened up. But talking nice weather today, and then rain tomorrow night. Okay, we got 3/4 of a bin. I just hopped in and rode with Dad for the first little bit. I'm gonna go grab the grain cart. Seems to be going pretty good. This field is pretty thin. We're starting with the worst first. This field is definitely hurt by the lack of rain we had this spring. Could have used some more. But hopefully it should be better from here on out. And when it's thin, you get all grasses growing up in it, so it's time to get it cut before the grasses get too tall. And that goes in the combine and makes it harder to combine as well. But we'll go grab the grain cart and go chase them and get the first bin off. Okay, we got Dad leaving with that load. Looking kind of dark. So, yeah, we weren't gonna leave with that load till tomorrow, and we'd rather not run it the half hour home loaded. So he's gonna try to get unloaded yet tonight. They're open till 10. Should get there about 6. We'll got plenty of time there. That way the truck will be empty. We can run it home empty, and yeah, then we'll be able to fill it with fuel at the farm and come back out here and get the cart, because thinking the cart will hold the rest of the field. I'm gonna work at combining that while he's gone. And then yeah, they're talking rain late tonight, early tomorrow morning, and that'll probably shut us down, so it'll be a good time to get the truck fixed and get moved to the next field, because this will be in here, then we got to move a few miles down the road. So we are combining. Got that little bit to go, and that's the edge of the field right there, and that is it for this one. That'll be the first 60 acres off. Be a good feeling. Hopefully just in time for the rain that's gonna hit tomorrow. That'll give us some time to get moved, and then we can get all the equipment down to the next field, and then we can hit that after the rain dries off the wheat. So this is started with the non-irrigated, the worst field. Still not doing terrible up on the heavier soil here. Got quite a few deer beds. Got the other kind of deer combine out here that likes to eat it when it's ripe. But you can probably, I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but we got some grain, because it is a little on the thin side, some grain coming up that's growing because of the rain we've gotten lately. That can make the combine want to growl and makes it harder to combine, and then it bumps up your moisture on your test, so that's not good either. So we got to get it before all those weeds get too tall, and yet the wheat has to be dry enough for King to take it. But good to be back in the combine. Oh, there's a rock. Go up and over that one. Okay, first field is done. Combine's back there cooling down. Gonna walk and grab the grain cart, and we don't have a good enough tarp to trust it out in the rain. I'll get that back down into the barn, run the combine over to the pickups, and that's it for me. Dad's gonna get unloaded and see once what tomorrow brings with the rain. Okay, we are back out in the wheat field again. So we only need the cart full, and that'll be enough to top this truck off, and then we'll have a load for tomorrow morning. Got half inch of rain yesterday, so we didn't run or combine anything, but so the other wheat's from 2 days ago. This field is irrigated, so it should do a lot better. Okay, we were back out in the field. Got rain yesterday, so we were thinking it was gonna go late today. And as you can see, we are just on the edge of a rain shower. Hopefully it misses us. We're gonna find out. We drove through rain getting here, but Dad's just getting out there for the first pass. We are borrowing the neighbor's Case tractor and grain cart, so hopefully we can get wrapped up a little faster with our wheat harvest. And I'm going to be running that for a little bit and try to get some more off. Not sure I'm qualified to run this red one, but we're going to find out. Let's see here. Hoping that rain stays away a little bit. So Dad got rained out Saturday. Today is Monday. He got rained out on Saturday, and he was a bin and a little bit short of a full truckload. We're hoping to get that off now before the rain that's coming, or at least it's gonna skirt around the edge. That way we'll have a full load truckload to take down tomorrow morning. Thanks, Jim, for letting us use your tractor and grain cart. Got the truck full, got the case and the grain cart full, so I'm going to park that in the barn, grabbing our tractor and grain cart. Gonna run out there and we got to top that off, and it'll be done for the night, and we got 2 loads to haul tomorrow. Going pretty good, at least the rain missed us. for today. The truck is full. Both grain carts are full. And we're gonna call it a day, haul 2 loads tomorrow to King. And then we'll be good to continue combining. Hopefully we can get the rest of this field done pretty close to tomorrow. And we missed the shower, but we missed it only by about a half mile. Drove through some rain and some hail on the way down here. Thankfully this field didn't get any and we were able to combine, at least get a little more off. The falling numbers are kind of going down. I hear some loads are getting rejected for it, which is basically the rain and may cause it to sprout. So yeah, that'll probably do it for this video, and I got some wheat to haul in the morning. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.